Most people think Sezzle is just an easy way to split payments online. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Sezzle can either help you manage purchases more flexibly or quietly push you into overspending without realizing it. A lot of users see smaller payments and assume everything is affordable. But this is where many people make a huge mistake. They focus on the short-term convenience and ignore the long-term spending habits that come with buy now, pay later apps. In this video, I'll break down exactly how Sezzle works in 2026, the real pros and cons, whether it's safe, and who should actually use it before making a purchase. Let's get straight into it. Sezzle is a buy now, pay later platform that allows users to split purchases into multiple smaller payments over time. In many cases, the purchase gets divided into 4 scheduled installments instead of one large upfront payment. For example, Alex wants to buy new headphones and a smartwatch online. Instead of paying the full amount immediately, Sezzle may allow him to spread the cost across several weeks with smaller automatic payments. One reason Sezzle became popular is simplicity. The checkout process is fast, approvals can feel easier than traditional financing, and many users like seeing smaller payment amounts instead of one big charge. The biggest advantage is short-term flexibility. If someone already has stable income and good budgeting habits, Sezzle can help smooth out cash flow for planned purchases. But here's the problem. Smaller payments often encourage bigger spending behavior. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize how quickly multiple installment plans can stack together. Jake might finance shoes this week, gaming accessories next week, and clothes the week after. Individually, each payment feels manageable. Combined together, the total monthly obligation becomes much larger than expected. This is where most people fail. They stop tracking the full purchase amount and only focus on the next small payment. Another important thing to understand is fees and repayment timing. While Sezzle may advertise interest-free installment options in many cases, missed payments or failed automatic withdrawals can still create penalties or account restrictions depending on the situation. In a minute, I'll explain who Sezzle works best for and who should probably avoid it completely. One feature some users like in 2026 is Sezzle's focus on helping users build payment history behavior through responsible repayments. But that benefit only matters if you consistently make payments on time and avoid overextending yourself financially. For disciplined shoppers, Sezzle can be useful for planned purchases and temporary budgeting flexibility. If John already knows he can comfortably afford the full amount but prefers spreading payments across several weeks, Sezzle may work well for him. But if someone constantly uses installment plans for impulse purchases, entertainment spending, or unnecessary shopping, financial pressure can build surprisingly fast. So, is Sezzle worth it or should you leave it? For responsible users with strong budgeting habits, Sezzle can be convenient and easy to use. But for people who struggle with overspending or tracking multiple payment plans, it can quickly become risky. If this Sezzle review helped you understand the real pros and cons before using the app, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think buy now, pay later apps are helping consumers or making spending habits worse in 2026.